This gives me a great opportunity to help you get some great tips for customer loyalty in your Facebook approach and keeping that on track. And the key is drawing new customers, but that's what we specialize in. I'm going to give you a few pointers that's key to stimulate your customers that has been drawn as followers on your Facebook. Now that's making your followers part of your tribe. Your customers need to become your followers. Remember, you're sharing some knowledge, and knowledge is building trust, and trust builds loyalty. Now, to mention the last few points, bring in a post that has also got humor relating to the industry. It's also nice. I mean, people love to react to humor. And then you can also schedule these posts. You, because ideal thing is you'd also like posts to go out at possible certain times. So you can also schedule posts. And then, of course, if you've got specials that you want to draw them in on a more regular basis, you can pin these specials to the top of your page. That is something you can remember. So if anybody comes to the page or to the posts on your page, they'll see that first. Well, I hope these were great help to you. If you visit the web, in the link at the bottom of the page or the email, there's a free download and consultation link. You can still go to the web page. I will send you some more tips and elaborate in the next few days on your roadmap, customers on tap.